what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an influencer review. I find it easier just to go ahead and talk about it rather than have to go on and write all kinds of reviews. I mean, I do anyway just because, you know, you're kind of supposed to, but I just think it's easier to talk to you guys about it. So this is my first Voxbox, I think they're called, and I was pretty excited to get it. I mean, clearly, but I don't know how useful this stuff is, like, for me. The more you do it, the more they get to, like, kind of know you, and, like, they'll send you more things that you'll like or, like, that you'll be more interested in. But, like, this, I think, like, about half of it, I wasn't too, like, satisfied with it. But, let me show you guys what's in it. So, the first thing that I knew that I wasn't going to like was the Fire and Ice Sour Patch Kids. I personally don't like Sour Patch Kids, so like I just knew I wasn't gonna like it, but it just gives you like this little free like this free coupon for Target, and then you go and buy them. But my little sister likes it, you know, so I went ahead and gave that to her. But yeah, I'm not that big of a fan of those, so I was just kind of like, well, that sucks. That's like one thing kind of wasted that I wasn't really gonna use, but I mean, it's free stuff. And then the second thing that I was like kind of worried to try, just because like after going to cosmetology school, learning about like hair stuff and like how much shampoo and conditioner actually does affect your hair, like you would think like it really wouldn't take that much of a toll on your hair. I mean, especially not after one use, but still, after you get accustomed to like using your shampoo or using your conditioner or any like hair products, you kind of get like anxious or like worried, or maybe it's just me that I get like overprotected with my hair. I have a very little bit of hair. I don't have much to lose. So it's like, scratch that. No, I have a lot to lose with the hair that I have because I don't have a lot to spare. There we go. That's what I meant to say. But anyway, so I got this shampoo. Yeah, okay. Eva, New York, or New York City, NYC. And I had never seen this product before in stores, and then I went into Sally's like not too long ago and they had it. But I'm not that big of a fan. Like, I kind of like, once I got it in the box, I wanted to know a little bit more about it, so I looked up reviews and people were like, oh, it's, you know, it's good, I liked it, I can't, you know, complain. And then I tried it and like I did not like it whatsoever. It smelled alright, like it smelled like horchata, so I mean, I don't mind the smell of it, but it does get like a little too sweet after a little bit. But that's not really what's important. What's important is like how I felt my hair. My hair has been bleached for years, and I mean, like, right now you can't really see a lot of it, but like it's been through hell and back probably. Like, it's been bleached for like since I was 15. I'm now gonna be 20, so almost for 5 years I've had bleach in my hair. And like I said, I have very thin hair, not a lot of it, and the strands individually are very thin and they're very weak and fragile. So it's like my hair takes anything super quickly. Like, I can tell the difference between having very moisturized hair as soon as I put something in it, or if it's just gonna feel like dry and nasty. And as soon as I put the shampoo in, like, it just felt like it cleaned my scalp good, but like my hair just felt so dry. And I mean, I know that bleached hair feels that way anyway, but with the shampoo that I have, it's Paul Mitchell's Awapui, and that's like my favorite shampoo and conditioner ever. I recommend it to everyone. It's good for all hair types. The shampoo feels like drugstore conditioner. Like, it already feels like your hair is moisturized more than any other shampoo that I've ever tried before. The conditioner feels like a hair mask almost. Like, you know how your hair feels after you do like a hair mask, like super hydrated and moisturized? It feels like that. So, and a little bit goes a very long way. Like, for me, that I have a very little bit of hair, I only have to use 1 pump of the shampoo to get it like super emulsified, like super sudsy, and it's all of the hair, like all of the scalp, all of the hair. Like, I just, with 1 pump, it's good. Like, plenty. I still have a little bit left over. And with this, I had to use like, I feel like I went back into this like 3 times and I felt like it wasn't emulsifying a lot. I felt like I really had to work it in, and it still didn't feel like it was bubbling up. It wasn't doing much. But like I said, I did feel like the scalp was clean. I just felt like the rest of my hair felt so dry and like dead. Like, I know it's already dead, but it felt dead. And then the conditioner kind of helped it a little bit. Like, it kind of saved it because I didn't use this conditioner. Like, it didn't send a conditioner, so I used the regular, like the Awapui conditioner, and it helped. But yeah, no, I would not recommend this shampoo. I'm not going to be using it again. The good thing about this brand is the primer. This little bottle right here, I liked this product. This one, I sprayed it in my hair right after I got out of the shower. I just detangled it. I sprayed it. I don't think it has like a certain smell to it. It's a little bit of like a sweet smell, but it's not like too overwhelming. Like I said, I just detangled my hair, put it in. I put some other product in it. It's a curl cream. It's Paul Mitchell's curl cream. I just like Paul Mitchell products because I know more about them and I'm used to working with them. The more time goes by, the more products I get my hands on, the more I start to work with different things, and the more I find other things that I like as well. But for right now, I do kind of sound like a Paul Mitchell junkie, or like a Paul Mitchell like spokesperson, just because everything that I refer to people is all Paul Mitchell, because there's certain things that I really like from their stuff. But I'm not going to sit here and say everything from Paul Mitchell is awesome and perfect. There's a lot of things that I still don't like from Paul Mitchell, but it's just what I know more of. So everything that I compare to is mainly compared to their line of hair products. But this, I don't even know what to compare this to. They don't really have like a lot of primers that I would say like, or spray-on primers that I would say I really like. So this one, I really liked it. I felt like it really helped control my frizz. I have very frizzy hair. Like I said, it's fine, but it's like mousy. So it's like just like individual hairs just everywhere, and like it's kind of scraggly, so it doesn't look cute. And then it has like a wave to it, wave slash curl, so that's why I have to put in the curl cream to make sure that it helps like keep the waves and the curls like individually nice and smooth, and it kind of helps define them a little bit more. So this really helped for frizz because I just put in the curl cream, and just with the curl cream it doesn't really help control frizz too much, so there was a huge difference. The one thing I will say is that my hair did kind of seem a little bit flat, but that might have just been because I let it air dry rather than diffuse blow dry it. But other than that, I'm definitely gonna buy some more of this because I really liked it. There's not a lot of things I found that help as much with frizz as this does. I don't really think it weighed my hair down too much. Like I said, I really think that was just because I didn't really flip my hair and make sure it was like unstuck from my scalp. But yeah, I really like this. And then the other thing that they gave me is the invisible bobby. There we go. I've heard about these things before. I thought they were alright because like the original ones are like hair colors. They're blonde, brown, and like dark brown. So they kind of blend in with the hair more. Since this is my favorite color and it's mint, it stands out. So it's not really invisible, but it's very cute. I like it. I wouldn't really use it for my hair, but I would find other uses for it. I tried it, like I said, since I have thinner hair, it kind of just like lost its grip very easily. But, and I mean, like, you can always tie it like this, like, you know, loop it and tie it, but then it doesn't look as clean. So I don't know, it's very cute, and I will definitely use it, probably just because it's my favorite color, so I want to make sure I use it somewhere. I'd probably use it more for like my keys or something, but I really like it. So I don't think I'd say like, oh, you have to go and get it because it's like the best hair tie, but I think it was like a nice little thing to get. I'm not mad that I got it. And then the best thing in this influencer Voxbox, I think it's called the Vacay box? I don't know, it doesn't say on here. But it was a part of like their Vacay thing. And the best one was the lashes, the Kiss lashes. So obviously because I am a makeup junkie and I love doing my makeup, lashes are like an essential thing and they can get kind of pricey. So like if you're getting really good ones. So I have about like 5 pairs. This probably is like the 6th. I was a little bit afraid to try this because it is from like the Kiss brand and they are a drugstore brand, and I don't have anything against drugstore lashes, but majority of drugstore lashes do look very plasticky when you put them on or when you like look at them. Like you just see like the individual lashes just look like plastic. So it's kind of like not as nice in pictures. It doesn't look as nice in person. Like it doesn't stand out as much as other lashes that I've had and I've seen. The only drugstore lashes that I definitely like are Vegas Nays. They're very like luxurious. I used them for prom, I think my junior and senior year. The same pair of lashes. So they're very durable and they're super cute. They're super dramatic, but, or at least the pair that I got. But they're good quality. I like it. Her whole point was that she wanted to have very luxurious lashes for a drugstore price, which I think is more needed. But I definitely like her brand from the drugstore. And then Ardell, again, is like a very good drugstore brand. Some of their lashes I feel like are still a little too plasticky, but there's other ones that look really like high quality. So I don't know. I guess it's just preference, but I just prefer not to get my lashes from like the drugstore because I just feel like you can tell, you can notice. So I was a little like, man, they're only Kiss lashes. It's whatever though. And then I looked at them and I really like them. They're, first off, their band is clear. It's a very thin band. So it's very lightweight. The lashes, I'm wearing them right now. They're comfortable and they're subtle. They're not dramatic. They're subtle. So I kind of like that because I was really lacking subtle lashes, because in my head it's like, okay, if I'm going to be wearing falsies, like they have to be like big, like boom, like statement lashes, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like I felt like I'm wasting my money, or I'm wasting, like, it's just not appealing to me to get like natural lashes. But every time that I did my makeup, I'm like, dude, okay, this would look so much better if I had like natural looking lashes or like toned down lashes, because it takes away from the eyeshadow sometimes. If you have like crazy lashes and then crazy shadow, it's like, okay, your lashes are doing too much already. Like I can't get past the lashes. So when I got these, I was actually really excited when I saw them. So I tried them on for the first time today, did my makeup with them. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, they're lightweight, they're comfortable, and then they don't look super plasticky. Let me zoom up. So that's how they look. I'm sorry, this is like, I'm filming this at 12 o'clock at night, so this is all day makeup. This has been on. But these are how the lashes look. Like I said, they're not too crazy. They're very lightweight, and like the band is very, very thin. You can't even see it, but I like them. And then the way that they're spaced out, I don't have lashes like that either. Like they're kind of, they have sections where it's a little bit thicker and then somewhere it's thinner. I like that style. Like I said, I don't really have a lot of different variety of lashes. Like all of the lashes I go for kind of look the same. So it's like I need to make sure that I like kind of separate or try new things, try new lashes. But I really like these. I think there's like, are probably my second or third favorite now. My favorite will always be my minks, but I don't know. This is like my favorite product that I got in this. But yeah, that was it. I'm excited that I got it. I'm happy that I got to try it out. And honestly, I like being a part of Influencer. I feel like it gives you a say. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's cool. You get to help out the brands that you really like, because I feel like if something is really good, then I definitely want to tell people about it. I definitely want to make sure that other people know, like, this is a really good brand, or I really like this because of this, or like I definitely recommend this. And then there's other things that I'd rather not review, because I don't like just being on the internet like, I don't like this brand, it was like this, I didn't like it, blah blah blah. Like, if you got nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. like, you know, so it's just kind of like, okay, but they want your honest opinions, and I'm not gonna lie about a product and say it was good and then somebody goes and buys it and they don't like it. Like, I don't know. So I really like being a part of Influencer. I feel like it gives everyone a chance to say what they feel, and then also, like I said, you get free stuff out of it. So the more you review, the more you talk about the stuff that you like, the more you look up things to review, or the more you try things, the more things are going to send you. So I'm excited. This was my first box and I want some more. So hopefully I'll be getting more, and I'll be making more of these like little Voxbox opening videos. Let me know if you guys want like a first impressions next time. So like I'll try things on camera rather than just trying them off camera and then telling you guys about them. Also let me know if you guys want a tutorial on this look. That's it, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.